In today's digital age, managing your online content is crucial. Whether you're rebranding your YouTube channel or simply want to start fresh, knowing how to delete all your videos can be a vital skill. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, sign into your YouTube studio. Once you're in, navigate to the Content section on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a list of all your uploaded videos. Unfortunately, YouTube does not offer a direct way to delete all videos at once, so you'll need to delete them individually. To delete a video, click on the three dots next to the video you wish to remove and select Delete Permanently. You'll be asked to confirm your action. Remember, this is irreversible, so be sure you want to delete the video before confirming. Repeat this process for each video you want to remove. While this might seem tedious, it's the only way to ensure each video is permanently deleted from your channel. For those who have a large number of videos, consider using third-party tools or scripts that can automate this process. However, exercise caution and make sure you trust the tool you decide to use. In conclusion, deleting all your videos from YouTube requires patience and careful consideration. By following these steps, you can manage your channel's content exactly how you see fit. Remember, always think carefully before permanently removing your content, as this action cannot be undone.